Welcome to this tutorial on how to add volume charts in Thinkorswim. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to effectively visualize volume data on your charts. Understanding volume can provide valuable insights into market trends and help inform your trading decisions. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Charts tab. Select the stock or asset you want to analyze by entering its symbol in the search bar. Once your chart is displayed, locate the Chart Settings button, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Click on this button to access the chart customization options. In the Chart Settings menu, find the Volume option, which is often located under the Appearance or Style section. Check the box to enable volume bars on your chart. You can also customize the appearance of the volume bars, such as their colors and style, to suit your preferences. Once you have made your selections, click Apply and then OK to return to your chart. Finally, observe the volume data now displayed below the price chart. You can adjust the time frame of your chart to see volume changes over different periods, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Analyzing volume alongside price movements can help you make more informed trading choices. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on Thinkorswim and trading strategies.